No, Jacob.
Get that light out of his face.
Along the water cooler, the political water coolers, Democrats and Republicans have been debating over the last couple of days the politics behind the timing of this